everyone, welcome back to 4 Quadrants. As we promised last time, we are going to discuss a new topic in this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and click the bell icon to make sure you are notified every time we post a new video. Before you start teaching or learning anything new, it is essential to take a step back and review what you already know about the topic. As teachers, we must do this as a method to assess the students and their knowledge on the topic that is going to be taught. There needs to be a basic understanding of the concept in the students before moving forward to the next step. The knowledge that one must have before learning a new topic is called prerequisite knowledge. As suggested, it is pre-required knowledge. It is important to make sure to conduct a small revision exercise for the students so that they are able to recollect the information required to begin the new lesson. So, in this video, we are going to talk about rotational symmetry. The first thing we need to do before we start is ask the question, what prior information or prerequisite knowledge does one need to have before learning about rotational symmetry? The answer to this would be line symmetry or reflection symmetry. The teacher must make sure that the students have that basic knowledge of line symmetry before they can start learning about rotational symmetry, and must preferably make a revision strategy that is best suited for the children. There are many techniques the teachers can use to do this. Here, we are going to perform an activity using a 16 triangle puzzle with 8 triangles of one color and 8 of another. All of these are congruent right-angled isosceles triangles. First, the teacher can ask the students to make a square using all the triangles. Different students will arrange the triangles in different ways to form varying patterns of triangles to make a square. The teacher can then ask students if any of them have made a square that is of a symmetric pattern of triangles. If yes, the teacher must ask the students if they are able to recognize the line or lines of symmetry and how many there are if there's more than one. This discussion can be continued and the exercise can be repeated until the teacher is sure the students have a fairly good idea of the concept. In the next step, the teacher can ask the students to make squares using the triangles, forming patterns with a particular number of line or lines of symmetry, starting from no line of symmetry to 1, 2, and so on. This way, students can quickly revisit the topic before moving on to the next level. Keeping the revision techniques fun will pique interest in the topic and will keep the students engaged in class. The same activity using the triangle puzzle can be extended to introduce the concept of rotational symmetry. But you will have to wait for our next video to find out how. Like this video if you found it informative and interesting, and don't forget to share it with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you all.